Hi, welcome to Pdf.co. In this video, we're going to show you how you can automatically convert your unsearchable PDF into searchable PDF using Pdf.co and Zapier. We'll also demonstrate how you can automatically upload your output searchable PDF to your Google Drive folder. This is our sample file, and it's a scanned PDF. If we're going to look up the word character, the PDF multi-tool will not be able to find a match because it's an unsearchable PDF. The PDF multi-tool contains tons of functions. You can actually make this PDF searchable using this tool. To get this freeware, kindly visit our website, bytescout.com. I added the download link in the description box below. First, let's create a Zap. And let's use Google Drive as our app event. Our trigger event is new file and folder. We want to use new file and folder because we want all of the new files coming in to our Pdf.co demo folder to automatically be converted into a searchable PDF file. Now let's connect our Google Drive account. In the Drive field, let's choose My Google Drive. And in the Folder field, let's choose Pdf.co demo. Let's test the trigger to make sure that we set it up correctly. Great, now we have our unsearchable PDF file. Next, let's set up the Pdf.co. In our action event, let's choose Make PDF Searchable. And then let's connect our Pdf.co account. In our PDF file URL, let's get the file that we have in our Pdf.co demo folder in Google Drive. And then let's leave all the default values. Let's test and review. Great. So let's copy the URL and paste it in our browser so we can see the searchable file. Now, as you can see, we can now highlight the text in this scanned PDF file. Now let's add another step. And in this step, we want to upload our Pdf.co output to Google Drive. In the action event, choose Upload File. And let's connect our Google Drive account. In the Drive field, choose My Google Drive. And in the folder field, we're going to use the same Pdf.co demo folder. Now for the file, let's enter the Pdf.co output generated URL. Now let's test and review. Great. Now let's go back and check our Pdf.co demo folder, and here's the searchable file. Let's download this file and open this in the PDF multi-tool. Now let's look up the word character. To learn more, click on Support and Help and check out our API docs, our source code samples, explore the Postman collection or join our Facebook group, and you can also contact our customer support team. We look forward to hearing from you.